Hello science fans, Bill Nye here. Today, we're diving into Ethereum, a fascinating part of the digital universe. You might know Bitcoin as digital money, but Ethereum is much more. Imagine a global computer anyone can use to build new things. Ethereum is changing how we think about the internet, ownership, and agreements. It's a foundational technology, opening up possibilities for everyone. People often ask, is Ethereum just like Bitcoin? Not quite. Both use blockchain, a secure digital notebook, but their purposes differ. Bitcoin is digital gold. Ethereum is a platform like a global operating system. Developers use Ethereum to build transparent, unstoppable applications. Instead of just sending money, Ethereum lets you run code on its network. This code can manage agreements, create digital items, and build open financial systems. It's a decentralized world, no single company in charge. The magic of Ethereum? Smart contracts. Think of a smart contract as a digital agreement written in code, living on the blockchain. It automatically enforces the rules, no need for banks or lawyers. Let's say you want to buy a concert ticket from a stranger online. Normally, you'd worry about getting scammed. With a smart contract, you send your money and the seller sends the ticket to the contract. The contract only releases the ticket if it gets your money, and vice versa. If either side fails, the contract refunds everyone. It's all automatic and transparent. No trust required, just code. This trustless system has endless uses. Smart contracts can automate insurance payouts, run decentralized organizations, and power digital art and games. They're the building blocks of Ethereum, turning it into a programmable platform. It's a digital handshake, guaranteed to be fair. No middlemen, no bias, just code. That's the power of Ethereum's smart contracts. The possibilities are just beginning. So how does Ethereum actually run? It's powered by thousands of computers worldwide, called nodes. Each node keeps a copy of Ethereum's entire history. When you use Ethereum, your request is checked and verified by these nodes. Verified actions are bundled into blocks which link together to form the blockchain. This chain is secure and unchangeable. Tampering is nearly impossible. But why do people run nodes? They're rewarded with gas fees. Every action on Ethereum, sending money, using apps, costs a small fee called gas. Gas is the fuel for computations and pays node operators for their work. The more complex the action, the more gas it costs. If the network is busy, gas prices rise. This system keeps Ethereum running smoothly and securely. Ethereum used to rely on proof of work, like Bitcoin, which consumed huge amounts of energy. Miners competed to solve puzzles, but this wasn't sustainable. In 2022, Ethereum switched to proof of stake, a greener, more efficient system. Now, validators secure the network by staking Ether as collateral. If they act honestly, they earn rewards. If not, they risk losing their stake. This shift cut Ethereum's energy use by over 99%. Proof of stake makes Ethereum more secure, decentralized, and accessible. You don't need expensive hardware, just Ether to stake and a regular computer. This upgrade was a massive engineering feat. It aligns Ethereum with a sustainable future. Security now comes from economic stake, not raw computing power. More people can participate, making the network stronger. Ethereum's evolution is paving the way for greener technology. Why does Ethereum matter? It's a foundation for innovation. Think of it as the highway system for the digital world. Developers build decentralized apps, dApps, on Ethereum, like phone apps but without a central owner. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, lets you lend, borrow, and trade without banks. Anyone with internet can join, no gatekeepers. NFTs, unique digital tokens, let artists sell work directly and earn royalties automatically. Ownership is transparent and secure on the blockchain. Ethereum also enables new online communities and organizations called DAOs. Rules are set in code and members vote with tokens. Anyone can learn to build on Ethereum. Its open, permissionless nature fuels endless creativity. But let's be scientific. Ethereum isn't perfect. Smart contracts are written by humans and mistakes can be costly. Security and code audits are essential. Gas fees can spike, making small transactions expensive. This has slowed mainstream adoption. The good news? Solutions are coming. Layer 2 upgrades are making transactions faster and cheaper. Regulation is still evolving, so the rules aren't always clear. Staying informed is key as the landscape changes. Despite challenges, Ethereum's future is bright. Major upgrades will boost scalability, security, and sustainability. Layer 2 and sharding will make Ethereum even more accessible. Its strong open-source community keeps it at the forefront of innovation. Stay curious, the next era of the internet is being built right now.